If you want to renew your books or place holds on new books, you can always contact our library staff to help you out. But did you know that you can also do these things directly from the library website? Here's how. First, head to the SLC Library's Page 1 Plus search page. You can find it at librarysearch.stlawrencecollege.ca. Or you can reach it from the library homepage by clicking the Resources tab, then search the Tri-Campus Libraries. In the top right corner, click My Library Card and sign in with your SLC account if you aren't already signed in. Now that you're signed into Page 1 Plus, you can access your library account by clicking your name at the top right, then clicking Library Card. This page shows you all the books you have out on loan, as well as any holds, also known as requests, that you've placed on books. You can quickly renew all your books by clicking Renew All. If you click the Loans tab, you can get some more details on your loaned books. Click the drop-down arrow beside a book to see more info about it. Click New Search at the top to head back to the main Page 1 Plus search page. To place a hold, you'll first need to bring up the book you're interested in. Click the In-Person at SLC Library checkbox and then Apply Filters to limit the search to physical books at the library. Now click on the book title to bring up its information record. Under the Get It heading, click Request and select your pickup library. Then click Send Request. Once we've made the item available for pickup, you'll receive an email notification and can come pick it up from the front desk of the library. If you need to cancel a hold request or just want to check its status, go back to the library card screen by clicking your name in the top right and then Library Card. From the Account Overview page, click the Requests tab, or simply click on the hold request you'd like to cancel, then click Cancel.